Hello to all my little friends. How are you all? In today's video, we will learn to draw some simple and easy steps of drawing a gnome. So let's get started. As usual, we will start with the face first. Draw a small oval nose. Underneath the nose, draw a smiling mouth. Now, touching the nose, draw a long, really long hat upwards. Now finish the face with a long beard. Look, the beard looks like an upside down leaf. Now we will draw the hands. One hand will stay straight and the other one in a folded way behind the body. Now draw a small but cute body. And two small legs wearing cute little boots. Our gnome is holding a board. You can write any message or wish on it. I am writing Merry Christmas on it. Now let's decorate the hat little bit by adding some horizontal stripes on it. The gnomes are believed to protect the children and animals from evil or misfortune, just like our Santa. We'll make the socks striped as well. Let's get ready for coloring now. We will simply use red and black for the entire process. Only the nose will be light pink. The hat will be red and keep the stripes as it is, as we want them to be white. Do you know, the gnomes like to stay under the ground. The dress and gloves will be red as well. The stripes of socks will also be in the pattern of red and white. Now color the boots black. You can also add some little decoration to the board if you want. And now it's the time for adding some quick white highlighter to make the gnome a little bit more interesting. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Bye. See you in my next video.